And this, my friends, is the sound of the ClearPath spindle, toolpost spindle, hooked up with a eBay step and deer signal generator. Be careful about that little sucker, it outputs wrong polarity. If you feed it with those two pins, it shorts. Those two are fine. Otherwise, well, I guess it works. I've got it set up on the mid-frequency range, and that runs at the maximum of 2200 RPM, which is maximum acceptable speed for that motor, and it turns at 27% torque with no load, obviously, just the bearing. So I'm gently running it in. Still cold to the touch for the bearings, and the motor is equally fine. The sound you can hear is that of the HTD belts. Those are usually quite noisy, but I mean, don't care much. So this one is ready for duty, and I've had a problem with my C-axis drive. Well, everything is set up and ready to go, except this motor runs fine with the ClearPath software, but as soon as I hook it up to the CNC control, it outputs some weird electrical noises which are slightly reminiscent of this one. And I had a look at the scope using this one as a signal generator, and it does the same noise. And looking at the scope, it shows that the deer signals are very, very noisy. So that tells me what's wrong with this one is probably not the motor itself. I hope not. They're pricey, but rather there's some electrical noise coming from the cable, which does not come as a big surprise, since my cabinet is a complete mess. Right. So I'm probably gonna go for the C86 board from CNC4PC with shielded ClearPath cables coming directly from the Acorn to the servo. So that's hopefully going to improve things the same way it did for the mill, which runs on the MM servo, but I had the same kind of electrical noise problem. And just let me slightly pot the speed for you. There you go. That's the slowest speed I can do with this setting. Well, by the way, this is absolutely not linear, but I don't really care. Here running at 8 RPM. $200. Right. Well, I'll see you soon for this tiny spindle at work on the lathe, as soon as I can get my C-axis to work fine. See you guys.